again, everyone. My name is Alexa Harper, Manager of Junior Tour Operations, and welcome back for our next episode of the Caddie Education Series.
The first rule we will cover is USGA Rule 20.1C3. This rule allows a player to play 2 balls when there is a rules question, and if an official is not available. When a player is uncertain of what to do, the player is encouraged to play 2 balls. When playing 2 balls, the player must keep score for both the entire hole and report that they did so at scoring. Here we have a player whose ball has landed near a sprinkler head, which interferes with their stance. Unsure of how to proceed, the player decides to play 2 balls. They decide to play the original ball as it lies and drops a second ball after determining the nearest point of relief from the sprinkler head. After holing out with both balls, the player records the score for both. At the scoring area, the player asks a rules official about the scenario. They explain that the sprinkler head is defined as an immovable obstruction, and the player would receive free relief for their stance, so the second ball played would count in this scenario. The last item we will cover is the on-site tournament check-in policy. At tee time starts, there is no registration table, and players are expected to be at the starting tee 10 minutes prior to their tee time. At shotgun starts, there will be a designated registration table, and you will need to check in with an NTPGA staff member. Rule 5.3 in the USGA Rules of Golf states that players must start at, and not before, their assigned starting time. This means that the player must be ready to play at the starting time and starting point set by the committee. The start time set by the committee is treated as an exact time. For example, 9 a.m. means 9 a.m., not any time until or after 9:01 a.m. Any breach of this rule will result in a disqualification, except when the player arrives no more than 5 minutes late to the tee time. This would result in a 2-stroke penalty. Or the player starts no more than 5 minutes early. In this instance, the player would also get a 2-stroke penalty.
Thanks for watching and learning with us. We really hope this information helps all of our players and caddies.